Behind me is a G-3 target glider, which has a fascinating connection with today's collaborative combat aircraft and autonomous collaborative platforms as programs developed within our labs. Developed by the McCook Field Engineering Section, a predecessor lab organization, the G-3 was an early unpiloted and unpowered air vehicle employed by the Army Air Service in the 1920s as a cost-effective means to train both aircraft gunners and fighter pilots. It was used to train fighter pilots by setting the controls to fly randomly after its release from a carrier aircraft. What's interesting here is that fighter pilot training was also the intended role for the uncrewed Fury vehicle born from AFRL's Adversary Air Bandit program. The Fury design was in turn selected by the Air Force Life Cycle Management Center for its Collaborative Combat Aircraft Acquisition Program and is now designated the YFQ-44A. So, this very distant cousin from a century ago has a remarkable connection to the collaborative combat aircraft being acquired and developed today.